morning. Shh, it's kind of early. I'm sitting out here in the back garden, just getting ready. It's a beautiful day. It's cool, it's crisp, but while the rest of the country is, a couple of feet under snow, at least we have sunny skies here in Southern California. Today is the day that we're going to finish that Lotus Kick, so that's coming up right after this. So if this is your first time to this channel, first of all, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is the Learn Tai Chi at Home channel with David-Dorian Ross, that's me. And if you want to learn Tai Chi at home because you're looking for better health, or because you want to live longer but feel younger, or because you want to find inner peace and tranquility and inner harmony, or if you want to defend yourself against attackers, this is the place to come. And all you got to do to get started is just hit that subscribe button. Tons and tons of free lessons, videos, instructions, philosophy, etc., all right here on this channel. And I'd love to work with you. So just hit that subscribe button. It is the completion of the Lotus Kick. Now, if you're just joining this series at this point in time, don't worry about joining in towards the end. I'm putting a link right up there, take you right back to the very first episode, and you'll be able to follow along from the beginning and catch up to us. But for today, just enjoy what we're doing. All right, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the lesson. At the end of the turnaround, you're standing on the left foot with the right knee raised and pointing into the corner. The right foot now does a very simple arc from left to right and winds up with the knee pointing back in the corner again. The hands start off pointing into the corner just above the knee. Then while the foot is going from left to right, the hands are going from right to left, patting over the top of the foot and wind up pointing into the left corner. Circle the right hand under the left elbow, pivot on the left toe, pivot on the right toe, turn and swing the foot around, lifting up the right knee. Now the right foot goes from left to right and winds up back in the corner again. Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this quick lesson. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you got a little sense of how we do things here, I'm hoping that what you're thinking to yourself right now is, yes, I could learn Tai Chi at home, especially with this guy, David-Dorian. So all you got to do then is just hit that subscribe button and we can do a whole lot more, because I got tons more lessons all up here that I want to share with you. Now, in tomorrow's video, we're on to the end of the 103 movements. So stick around because, or tune in. Stick around, tune in. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about, and I'll see you then. For the rest of you guys who have been following along since the beginning or sometime in the middle and continue through till now, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate you. Appreciate you most of all for the opportunity to share my Tai Chi with you. So thank you for that. See you tomorrow.